In this video, we'll be looking at question number 11 from HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of depreciation and loans, and specifically this was a question about depreciation. So one of the very easy questions. So if we go to the study matrix and go to the relevant section. So 2020 question number 11. What you're told is there is an asset that is depreciated using declining balance method, and you're given a rate of depreciation, how much it was bought, and they want you to calculate the salvage value after 5 years. This can be as simple as it can get, so don't miss out on these questions. So you would need to know what the formula to calculate the salvage value is. It's on our website. If you check out the notes section, I will put it down over here. So salvage value is equal to the price that you have bought something multiplied by 1 minus the depreciation rate to the power of n. N can be the number of years that you want, or the time period basically that you want this calculation to be done. In this example, we have 10,000 is the value for the asset that it was bought. Depreciation rate is 8%. But be very careful that this rate is for half a year, and the salvage value that's asked to be calculated is for after 5 years. So this the asset is depreciating 8% in every 6 months. So in a year it's depreciating 2 times basically at the rate of 8%. So here when it comes to n, we need to multiply this 5 with 2, because every year this 8% depreciation is happening twice. So once you solve this, you will get 43.88. So option C is your answer.